Star anise, 7 ilachi, 6 cloves, 1 inch of dalchina, 1 big tablespoon of dhania, 1 tablespoon of peppercorns, and half tablespoon of shah jeera, and 1 inch of biryani flour. Dry red chilies. Let it cool completely. Make it a fine powder. Take a pan. Add oil. Add mirchi, curry leaf, onions. So now onions are fried. Ginger garlic paste, turmeric, add chicken, salt, so keep the lid, cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, so now you can see the chicken is releasing its water. So we should not add any water. We should cook with the chicken water itself. So now after 10 minutes, soft and tender. The chicken is well cooked and well fried. So at this stage we'll add our prepared masala. So now this is our prepared masala. Now add coriander, mix well. So now cook in low flame for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes. So now the Chettinad chicken is ready. Let's serve.